Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which is the question itself is very big. Okay, so I'm splitting this question into two parts. Okay, in one part, I will say the first bit given asked in the question, and in the second part, I'll take the second part of the question. Okay, so what is the question? Main question given digits from 0 to 6, 5. Okay, given digits from 0 to 5, and using those 6 digits, we must form any number of digits. Okay, any number of digits, but the first part is about non-repeating. Okay, once one digit is repeated, that digit must not be repeated once again. In the question, it is given, see, not more than once. So this is non-repeating. So if you take one digit numbers, 5 you will get. Means 0 is no value. So these 5 you can form one digit numbers. Next, two digit numbers you will have one sentence. In tens place you can't use 0. So from the total number you must delete 0. So total will have 5. And remaining one more non-repeating. So non-repeating means you will put in this ones place you can put even 0. But here whatever the number you put, that must not be used in the ones place. That's why, but 0 is added to the remaining like this. See, say for example in tens place I use 2. So in ones place I can't use 2, but what we can use 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, any of the 5. That's why you will have 5 chances for ones place also. Next, 3 digit numbers. Ones place again you won't have 0. That's why you will have 5. And again in the tens place you will get along with 0 you can put the remaining 4. So total 5. And in the ones place you must not put the whatever the digits used in these two. So you will get only 4. For 4 digit numbers you will get 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. In ones place you will have only 3 ways to put the remaining digits. And 5 digit numbers, 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Why? In 10,000 place 0 can't. That's why you will have 5. And in thousands place this number used and 0 can be added. So you will have 5. Here not repeated, here not repeated, here not repeated. That's why you will get the number decreased by 1. Next, 6 digit numbers you will have decreased. First you will get the same and then decreased one digit from each one, and at last for ones place you will have one digit. So in that sense, if you take how many ways you are having for each number of digits, for one digit numbers you will have 5, two digit numbers you are having 2 5s, that is 5 into 5 chances you are having. So 5 into 5, 25. For 3 digit 5 into 5 into 4, which is 200. Next, 4 digit you will get 300, 5 digit you will get 600, 6 digit you will get again 600. So these all must be added so that you can say how many number of numbers, different digits of numbers formed by these 6 digits. Okay, if I got 1630 ways. Okay, next in this step what more asked is how many these integers are greater than 3000. Means in these 1630 integers, how many of the numbers, how many of the integers are greater than 3000. Okay, greater than 3000. So first you take 4 digit, this is a 4 digit number, right? So as it is 4 digit number, here we are having 5 and 6 digits also. So these two must be greater than, these two are always greater than the 4 digit number, right? So 3000, 5 digit numbers all and 6 digit numbers all compulsorily greater than 3000. So how many 5 digit numbers are 600, 6 digit numbers are 600 you have. So total here you will get 1200 numbers, integers which are greater than 3000. But after 3000 what you will have? 3001, 3002 and so on till 3999. So till there how many numbers are there? We have to find that also, no? So starting with 3, the remaining other 3 places of this digit, of this number varies, right? So total you are having 5 digits because 3 is covered here in the first place. So 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. In that sense, if you take 5 digits in each place can be placed. So, but this first one is fixed. So 3 into each one is having 5 digits to put. So 5p 3 ways. Okay. So 5p3 is nothing but 600 plus 600 is 1200 plus this 3 into 5p3. 5p3 is nothing but 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, and you will get 200 plus 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. These two get cancelled and remains you must multiply. So 1200 plus 3 into 60, 1200 plus 180. If you add, you will get 1380, means 1380 numbers are there which are greater than 3000 in those 1630 ways numbers. Understood? This is the first part of this question. Okay, if you won't understand or if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.